Hello friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review Tommy Hilfiger men's wallet, which is very popular in Amazon and Flipkart. I will tag this product so that you can check it out if you want to see the price and all the details. So let me take it out. There is a nice packaging is given. So first impressions, you can see it's a good quality box and the branding is very well shown here. In the back side the price and other details are there, but you will get in a very good price if you check the link provided or video I have tagged. So let me open it. Actually it looks like Apple iPhone opening. I mean, from the inside it looks really premium. So you can see that there is a transparent cage again given inside. So let me open it. It looks like a nice gift to give anybody. So let me take out the wallet, and once you take out the wallet you can see the leather quality is really nice. When you touch it, the feel is real. I can say really a good upgrade, which I can say that. And if you want to see the thickness, you can see how thick it is looking from different angles, which is pretty easy to carry around. So let's open it and see what are the important features. First thing, genuine leather is mentioned here, and Tommy Hilfiger branding is also given here. So let me open it. So there is a coin compartment first, you can see here. So I didn't cut this thing, that's why please bear with me. So there is a good amount of space for the coins you have to store, and there is two hidden pockets you can see in both sides of this wallet, so you can keep your valuable things. And here there are debit and credit card slots are there, so you can keep it easily over there. And here also Hilfiger branding is given in a different color, blue color, that gives a even more added branded value and brand value. So then also let's open. There are two currency compartment you can see here, so you can create enough number of currencies of different sizes. And again there is a product information details is here. Information is given, that is even cool, how the warranty card and all the details are inside this one. So this is one thing. So in the back side you can see that again the good finished leather, and also there is a nice amount of stitching you can see, and major attraction is the Tommy Hilfiger logo or emblem is given here, which adds to a premium feeling. I will share the link in the video description. Also I will tag the product so that you can check the price and other details of this thing, and different color versions also available. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and there are more reviews regarding best wallets I have added in the video description so that you can check it out. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.